This is to show the SABER automatic knife setting system together with the knife change. Here you can see us selecting knife change from the normal screen and then selecting the knife change from the advanced screen for the knife. Now it gives you pictures to show you what to do when changing the knife, removing the bolts, using the lifting device to lower the knife onto the stands, using the stand to then put the knife in the box, and putting a new knife in the box back into the stand, lifting it back into the machine using the central lifting device together with the knife key. This is lifting the knife in now. Then you change the stick. After you've changed the stick, then the machine will automatically adjust the height of the knife at the first setting, which is above the stick. This is a pre-setting to make sure that the knife will not damage the stick when it lowers to the bottom. This is happening automatically. You do not need to do anything. Then you push the cut buttons, the knife lowers automatically, stops at the bottom automatically. Now the final setting takes place. Again, this is being done automatically by motors. You can see here the turnbuckles on each side are adjusting themselves automatically. This brings the knife down so it's in perfect contact with the stick, with enough pinch to cut through all the way. Once this is finished, the screen will tell you, okay, now you can put the last two bolts in, send the knife back up, and now you can do a test cut. So we put some card under the cutting stick, and then we do a test cut. As a result of the test cut, if everything is good, we could tick the box that you're now going to see, or if we didn't like the test cut, we could make an adjustment. You see here pushing the down arrow on the left side, and this will make the knife adjust 4/10 lower, 1/4 thou lower. And if you actually didn't want that, which we don't in this case, I can just make it go back up again. You can make these small adjustments and then exit the screen. It's also possible, when cutting, to make small adjustments just by touching the knife to the knife cutting depth into the stick. You then can set the knife's adjust screen at the bottom. You go back to this screen, you can make the small adjustment just as you would when you were setting the knife. And when you are happy with the adjustment, press the check mark, and then you can return via the screen back to the normal cutting process. This way you have made a quick adjustment without needing a tool at all.